What's going on, everyone? Levi here. Hope you guys are doing well. We're gonna get some milling done today. We've got, I don't know if you can see in the background, but a 9-foot long, 20-inch to 25-inch diameter black walnut log. It's gonna be a pretty sweet log. Let's take a look at it. So we've got about a 25-inch wide crotch right here. Very straight log, about 20-inch diameter on the narrow end. One thing that I'm concerned about in this lot, I've already found a few logs with screws in it. I was able to fix that chain, and so we're gonna use that same chain, hoping that there's not any screws in it. But if there are screws in it, at least we're using a chain that's already hit metal, that's hit screws. So let's open this log up. 2.5-inch thick slabs, Stihl MS 881 Granberg, MK4 Alaskan mill, Granberg ripping chain. Really excited to see what's inside. Guys, we're off to a great start. Flattened out the log a little bit so you can see that it's sitting flat here where that limb is. A little bit of a gap in here that we'll shim up. We'll get a screw here and we'll get a screw on the end. So once we screw the ladder down to the log, that ladder probably will not be going anywhere. It's going to be a very great surface for the first cut. Once we get that first cut going, we're just going to be able to slab to 2.5 inches thick. So let's keep going. So here's what you saw me do. To attach the ladder, I used 3.5-inch wood screws with some washers, and then I used some shims just to make sure that the ladder was a little more stable and also would not flex as the weight of the mill and the saw went over it. So I looked down the ladder to see if there were any dips or any twists. It looks really good. I've had really good success with just looking down the ladder. These slabs should turn out very, very nice. So I'm gonna get the same chainsaw set to 4.5 inches deep on the mill, and then we're gonna take off our first cut, so stay tuned. Guys, we got 5 slabs. One of them was covered up, but we did get 5 2.5 inch thick slabs. Really happy with the results. Granberg makes incredible Alaskan mills. Link down in the description. I've got a coupon code that will save you 10% in the description. Stihl MS 881 absolutely rips. So thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Really appreciate all of you. Stick with me. I've got a ton of videos to make, a ton of logs to mill. Logs everywhere. There's not just logs here. I've got logs on other properties that I need to mill. So glad that you guys can be a part of this journey with me. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.